Namaste, welcome to GitasKitchen. Today we'll see a weekend guest lunch thali. Simple recipes, easy to make, not taking much time. First we'll make Channa Masala. I have soaked 1 cup of this white chickpeas overnight. First we'll cook it in a pressure cooker. Add the drained channa. Add the required quantity of water. Add the whole masalas. I am adding 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamoms, 2 of these black cardamoms and 3 cloves. Add some salt. Here I have 1 amla. This is optional. If you have, you can add. Just chop it into pieces and add. And we'll pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Meanwhile, I have here 3 onions and 3 tomatoes. Peel and chop the onions, also chop the tomatoes and blend them separately into puree in your mixie jar. Our onion paste is ready. I did not add any water, just grind the onions to a paste, that's all. We have blended the tomatoes also into a puree. See, the pressure has released. I have opened the cooker also. The channa also has cooked very well. Now heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of jeera. When the jeera is roasted, this is Kashmiri chili powder. I am adding 1 teaspoon. Next, add in this onion paste which we have kept ready. Half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. If you don't want to have garlic, don't worry, you can just avoid it and proceed with the rest of the recipe, no problem at all. Next, add in this tomato puree. Mix it well and let everything cook together for about 5 minutes. See, after 5 minutes, we can open it. The oil has also come out on top and the tomato and onions are well cooked. Now to this, we will add the other masalas now. Add some haldi powder. This is dhania powder. And garam masala. I am also adding about 2 to 3 green chilies, whole green chilies. I have just slit them. Mix it all well. Now add in this cooked channa to it. Cover it and allow everything to boil together for another 4 to 5 minutes. We already added salt while cooking the channa. So at this stage you check if you require salt because of the added onions and tomatoes. You can just add half a teaspoon or as much as required. Continue cooking it. See, everything has been boiling well together for about 5 minutes now. Our channa masala is perfectly done. At this stage, I will switch it off. I am just adding a few thin slices of ginger on top. So, our absolutely tasty channa masala is ready. Now we will make a simple vegetable pulao also in the pressure cooker. So you take about 2 tablespoons of ghee and another 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add about 4 cloves, 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 3 cardamoms. Just saute it for half a minute. Here I have one large onion which I have sliced. Lightly fry the onions. Next, 2 green chilies I have just slit like this. Then about 5 to 6 beans chopped into small pieces. 1 potato peeled and chopped. 1 carrot also peeled and chopped, and about 1 small capsicum chopped. Mix everything well together. Add salt and cook till the vegetables are half done. Just for a few minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables, just till they are half done. We have sauteed the vegetables just for 2 to 3 minutes, that's it. This is half a cup of frozen peas I am adding, and about 2 heaped tablespoons of mint or pudina leaves. This adds an awesome flavor to your pulao, so definitely add this. This is garam masala, I am adding 2 teaspoons. Again mix everything very well. Next, add in the required quantity of water. For this, I have taken the regular Sona Masuri raw rice which we use at home. So, for 1 cup of this raw rice, we can take up to 2 cups of water easily for the pulao. So, I have measured out the water and added. We will wait till the water comes to a boil and then add this rice. If you are a beginner and you are not sure about the salt level, this is the time to check for salt. You can just take a little bit of this water and taste it to check for the salt. See, the water has started boiling now. Add the washed rice to it. It well and wait till it starts boiling well once again. See, it is again all boiling very well together. Now we can cover it. And over a medium flame, cook it for 1 whistle and switch it off. The pressure has released. Let's open the cooker and have a look. It is all perfectly done. Just with a gentle hand, you can mix it like this. And your healthy and tasty vegetable pulao is also ready. Next, we will make a cucumber raita. I have taken half a cucumber, peeled it, remove the inner seeds and finely chop it. To this, I am adding 1 cup of fresh beaten curd or homemade dahi. Give it a good mix. Add a little bit of salt. Sprinkle some chili powder on top. And finally top it up with some fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped. Our tasty cucumber raita is also ready now. Now for the chapatis, I have taken whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, little bit of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and a few finely chopped coriander leaves. We will add water and make it into a dough for our chapati. Finally, add a teaspoon of oil. Knead everything to a soft and smooth dough. We will cover it and allow the dough to rest for at least 20 minutes. See, our dough has rested well. Now we can start making our chapatis. Heat a tawa well. When you start seeing bubbles on one side, flip it over. Then just add a little bit of oil. Cook it well on both the sides. Our masala chapati is now ready. Similarly, we will make with the remaining dough also. Hot masala chapatis are also ready now. Now for the sweet dish or dessert, today I am making a simple custard. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of vanilla custard powder. To this is some cold milk. I am just adding about half a cup of cold milk and we will make it into a paste. Make it into a smooth paste without any lumps. Here I have taken about 3 cups of milk. We will bring it to a boil. It starts boiling. You can add sugar or jaggery powder. Today I am adding jaggery powder to it and allow it to dissolve. Keep the flame low. Now the custard powder will settle at the bottom, so mix it again very well and over a very low flame add this custard powder mix to it and keep on stirring this also at the same time. Just for 2 to 3 minutes till it again starts boiling and it will thicken also. See, now it is thickening. And is also again once again coming to a boil. Now at this stage we will switch it off and allow it to cool nicely. Allow this to cool down very well. I like to keep it in the fridge also for about an hour or so till it becomes nice and chill. But I don't like to make it very thick. I prefer to keep it in a kheer consistency like this. When it is nice and chilled, here I am adding some bananas, ripe bananas, some chopped dates, a few chopped cashew nuts and some mixed nuts. Your tasty custard kheer is ready. I am not adding any other cardamom or anything, because the vanilla flavor of the custard itself tastes very good. Our weekend special thali is ready. We have our mixed vegetable pulao, Channa Masala, Masala Chappathi. Just I have a little bit of salad and I have fried some papad, cucumber raita and our custard kheer, fruit custard kheer. Our delicious weekend guest thali is ready. We have served in all the items along with some fried papad, pickle and salad too. Definitely try out this absolutely delicious thali when you have some time over the weekend. I have shown very simple and easy to make methods of making the recipes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.